So, we go.
What are you doing today?
Amplifying and then taking off poop off the roof. That's no good. That's what do, Josh.
I'm Alex with Northwest Roof Maintenance here in Vancouver, Washington. Today we're working on a tile roof that has a lot of moss on it, so it's going to get pretty messy getting it all off, but we're going to do our best to get it all off to keep the roof healthy and looking clean. As you can see, Jason over here putting in the hard work, getting all this front face off, and we're going to go through the whole roof and get it all off. All finished for today.